Good morning, students. At standard class 8, we will read the chapter number 1, that is, whose horse was it? So, here we have to read the chapter SCP 1. So, one day a young man was going to a town on his horse. Near the town gate, he saw a beggar. Sir, the beggar cried out, "Please take me to the market on your horse. I'm lame." The kind young man agreed. He put the beggar on the horse. Then he rode to the town. They reached the market. Then the young man said, "You can get up here, but I don't want to get up. You get off my horse. I want to go on," said the beggar. "Your horse? This is my horse." "Your horse? Yes, it is mine. Get off, or else I shall take you to the king's officer." "All right, let us go to him." So here in SCP-1 we find that a young man was on his way to the market. A young man was on his way to the market. So how? On his horse. He saw a beggar on his way. A beggar that who begs means victual. So that person who begs, that is called a beggar. Begs for alms. So here, so the young man, so sir, the beggar cried out. Cried out means cry out, that turn into cried out. So tell loudly. Called loudly. So like this. So he called to the young man. The kind young man agreed, so that he put the beggar on the horse. Then the young man agreed to take the beggar to the market. So they together went to the market. But at the marketplace, when the young man asked the beggar to get off, you should write, this is a phrasal verb. Get off, that means land on. ओह्लाइबा जोटा कहती land on. Get up from the horse. So who asked to get up from the horse? The young man asked the beggar. The young man asked the beggar to get up from the horse. But the beggar did not. What did he say? So, but I don't want to get up. You get off my horse. The beggar told to the young man that it is not his horse, but it is the young man's horse. It is his horse, not young man's. So there is a dispute. So but I do not want to get off. You get off my horse. I want to go on. Go on means that is, you can also, it is a phrasal verb. Continue traveling. Continue traveling. So that is go on. So here the beggar wanted the young man to get up. He should start the journey. And then, so here it is mine, get up, else I will take you to the king's officer. So then, so what is that the matter? They together agreed to go to the king's officer. Where did they went to? King's officer, to decide the matter. To decide the matter, they went to the king's officer. So let us go to him. So here this is the completion of SCP-1. So we now go to the SCP-2. So here, so they went to the king's officer. The young man said to him, "Sir, I was riding to the town on my horse. This man wanted to come to the town market. He is lame, So I brought him to the market on my horse. Now he says that the horse is his. Sir, please help me to get my horse from him. So the beggar said, he is a thief and a liar, sir. This is my horse. I am lame. I cannot walk well. So I brought this horse. The king's officer, looked at them. Who was the thief? Whose horse was it? He did not know. So here, paragraph number 3. In paragraph number 3, we can find that they went to the king's officer. So what happened to them? So they went to the king's officer. The young man said to him, sir, I was riding to the town on my horse. Who was riding? The young man told that the king's officer that he was riding to the market. And the beggar asked him to take him to the marketplace. But this man wanted to come to the town market. As he is lame means you know that lame, a handicapped person cannot walk. Who cannot walk? जो छोटा हमें कहवा इन मोरिया जे lame. As he was lame. Who was lame? Beggar or young man? Beggar was lame. As he was lame, he could not come to market, so I took him to the market. Sir, please help me to get my horse from him. So now the beggar told that the horse was his. So how can I get the horse? The young man asked to the king's officer. And the beggar also told. What did he told? That he was a thief and a liar, sir. This is my horse. As I am lame, I cannot walk well. So I bought this horse. So here we can find another word, that is bought. Can you tell the first verb 1 of the word bought? So can you tell me what is the second part or first part of the verb 1 of this bought? So this is buy. Buy, bought. Similarly, some words we can find that bring, brought, B-R-O-U-G-H. This is always confused. That bring, brought, buy, bought. What is the verb 3 form? Also bought. That is also brought. Bring, brought, buy, bought. Means that so that who bought this horse? The beggar told, as I was lame, I bought this horse in order to go to the marketplace. So now the young man told, this horse was his. So the king's officer looked at them. He was totally confused. King's officer, the king's officer was totally confused. Confused, that means in a puzzle, cannot move, cannot know what to do, whose horse it was that. So that means the king's officer looked at them, who was the thief, whose horse was it? He did not know. Then we should go to the paragraph number 3. Sir, may I ask him a question? The young man said. The young man was a very talented person. He wanted to find his horse according to him. He put a trick. Trick means that he put a trick. Who put a trick? The young man. Being a bold and courageous person and a very intelligent young man, he put a trick. So here, he asked a question. So whom? Sir, may I ask a question? The young man said, yes, the officer said. The officer allowed the young man to ask a question to the beggar. So the young man took off his turban. Took off. This is also a phrasal verb. Took off. You should, all the phrasal verb I have written already PV, that you should write sentence of this phrasal verb. Sentence. Took off. Took off means that I am giving an example. Take off your shoes take off your shoes before you enter into the class. This is, you can understand, this is the word means take off. Take off your shoes before you enter into the class or temple. So here we can find that then he said, the beggar, the horse is yours. You say, you know your horse well. Now tell me, which of its eyes is blind, the left or the right? The young man. So here the young man took off his turban. Turban, that is, what do you mean of turban? Means pagadi, that you can hold on your head. That this type you can, a person wear on his head, that is a turban. So here the young man took off his turban, and where did he keep? Quickly he covered the horse's eyes, and then he said to the beggar, this horse is yours, you say, you know your horse well. Now tell me, which of its eyes blind, the left or the right? So the beggar was slightly tottered. Tottered means khane that when we cannot know the question, we are in a confused mood, we totter. T-U-T-T-E-R, we totter. So here like this beggar also tottered. He could not know which actually the blind eye is. So that he automatically answered suddenly the right eye. He answered the right eye. But here the right eye, are you sure? Again, when the young man asked, are you sure that it is blind on its right eye? Then the beggar said, no, it is on left eye. So this is confused, either right eye or left eye. So here, suddenly, what did the young man do? The young man turned to the officer and said, sir, my horse is not blind, either right eye or left eye. So, it is not a blind one. Please look at its eyes. He requested, who requested? The young man requested to the officer to look the horse's eyes carefully. The officer took off the cloth. He looked at the horse's eyes. The horse was not blind at all actually. The officer was very much surprised. The horse was not blind. So you are a thief. Suddenly he caught up the beggar as a thief. He said, that beggar, you are actually a thief. Come with me. I shall put you in prison. So he sentenced, the beggar was sentenced. Sentenced, you know, what do you mean of sentence? Sentence means that you have been ordered by law. Ordered by law. That you are a convict, as a thief. Thief boli doshi sabyast hua. That means you are a thief. He said to the beggar, come with me, I shall put you in prison. So this is all about this, whose horse was it? And I have now going to give you now some of the homework for you, which you will send to my WhatsApp number, that is 8908 353 So this is homework for you, not lot of homework, so very little one, STP 1 and 2, 3, all the questions answer you should do and send me to this WhatsApp. Okay, goodbye.